Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make Adhirasam. So let's get started.
I've got here 3 cups of rice flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of crushed cardamom seeds, 2 tablespoons of ghee and some oil for frying. You can always use ghee for frying if you like. And for my sugar syrup, I've got here 1 cup of raw sugar, half a cup of water and 1 tablespoon of milk. Take rice flour in a big dish, add baking powder and sesame seeds and mix it well using a whisk. Add crushed cardamoms and mix it again. Add ghee, mix it well and put it aside. To make the sugar syrup, put a pot on medium heat. Add sugar and water, give it a quick mix and bring it to a boil. When it starts to boil, add milk and continue boiling it. By adding milk, the impurities from the sugar will come to the top and then you can skim it off. Continue boiling the syrup because we need to get it to the soft ball stage, which happens after we get 1 thread consistency. To see if the syrup is ready, take some water in a small dish, add a few drops of syrup. It should not dissolve in the water. It should settle to the bottom. When it settles to the bottom, try to bring it all together. Lift it out using your fingers and see if you can form it into a soft ball. If you cannot form a soft ball, continue boiling the syrup and check it after every minute until a soft ball is formed. My syrup is ready. Turn the heat off. Now it's time to get the dough ready. Add 1/3 of the rice flour mixture into the sugar syrup and mix it well to combine after each addition. Repeat this process until you have finished using up all the rice flour. At first, the mixture will be runny, but it will thicken once it has cooled down. Take it out in a dish, cover it with a plastic wrap, and let it rest overnight or for at least 8 hours. My dough has been resting overnight. Now it's time to make our adhirasams. To fry the adhirasams, take a pan or a wok, put it on low heat, add some oil or ghee and heat it. While waiting for the oil to heat up, take a small amount of dough, put it on a small piece of plastic wrap, put another plastic on top and press it slightly until you get a flat disc shape. When the oil gets hot, carefully lower the flattened dough into the oil and let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes or until it starts to brown at the edges. You can make them any size you like. Cook 1 or 2 adhirasams at a time depending on the size. Carefully flip them over and let them cook for another 3 to 4 minutes or until you get a brown color. Take it out and drain it on some paper towel. Repeat this process until you have finished cooking all the adhirasams. Cool them down before serving. Leftover adhirasams can be stored in a sealed container in the cupboard and enjoyed for weeks. My adhirasams are ready. Enjoy.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy recipes, please subscribe to my channel.